Hi, my name's Q and here is my day in the life of a media student who didn't go home. So I woke up at 7:30 and the first thing that I do is I check my emails. And then I had breakfast, so today I had a banana, some melon, grapes, yogurt and milk, and then I made my bed. I've also been doing workouts since I haven't been on buds anymore, so I try to do a workout 3 times a week. And it usually consists of like cardio and abs, and of course stretching is the most important part. You got to make sure you stretch every day. And then of course I got ready, I had my shower, I brushed my teeth, and then I was ready to start my day. And then I did some editing on one of the vlogs, and I went to uni for a meeting for a film that we're making, and then we had Nerve. It was one of the last Nerves, and here you can just see me talking. It's really fun doing Nerve. It's a great thing for media students to do. And then I went to the beach, had a chance to see some of my buds friends, and then here's the walk back. It was such a lovely walk, the sky was beautiful. And then I started walking back with one of my friends, and then I got back and had some dinner. And then a friend and I were watching a movie on Zoom, and we were chatting for absolutely ages. And then I finally went to bed at 11:30.